Right, you lot, I'm Ed from Ed's Home Reno. I've been renovating this place for the last sort of 10 months. It's been a lot of hard work, blood, sweat and tears, late nights, lonely weekends, but I'm nearing the end of it now, and I'll take you through to something that I'm really excited to show you. So this is the current back door of my house. It was original to the house, and it is genuinely the last piece of the puzzle that needs to be sorted out. I am working in collaboration with Palladio doors, and I've got some fitters here who are going to fit a new back door, and I'm so excited about it. This one performs terribly, lets all the cold in, all the noise, looks ugly as hell, and I'll show you the new one in the next few videos. So the door's out, guys, and I'm left with this massive opening. It looks way bigger now than it did before, and I'm really excited to see what happens next. Right guys, so the door is finished. It looks absolutely amazing. The fitters did a really good job, and I'm so happy with the finished product. It's triple glazed, it's really solid, the frame's properly thick, the security's just so much better than what I had before. Yeah, it's an amazing product, and thanks so much to Palladio Doors for doing the fitting and install.